Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share a powerful story with you. A story about dreams, struggle, and how learning English can completely change your life. If you dream of becoming a doctor, engineer, lawyer, entrepreneur, or anything big, then English is not optional. It is essential. English connects you to the world. It opens doors to education, careers, travel, and confidence. My name is Sophia, and this is my story. I was born in a small town in a developing country. My family was simple, not rich, not poor. My father worked long hours, and my mother managed the house while supporting our education. They always told me one thing: if you want a better life, you must study. As a child, I had a big dream. I wanted to become a successful professional and make my parents proud. I wanted to stand on my own feet and help others. But there was one problem: English. In my school, English was just another subject. We memorized grammar, but we never spoke. I could read small sentences, but I was afraid to speak. Whenever the teacher asked a question in English, my heart would beat fast. I was scared of making mistakes. I was scared of being laughed at. One day, something happened that changed my thinking forever. A guest speaker came to our school. He was successful, confident, and well-spoken. He spoke in English so fluently. After his talk, I gathered courage and asked him, "How did you become so successful?" He smiled and said, "English changed my life." That sentence stayed in my mind. After finishing school, I realized the truth. All good universities, good jobs, and global opportunities required English. My dream felt far away. Many nights I felt helpless. I asked myself, why is English so hard for me? But one day, I made a decision. I will not let English stop my dreams. I started small. I listened to English songs. I watched movies, even when I didn't understand much. I spoke English in front of the mirror. I made mistakes every day. Sometimes I felt embarrassed, but I did not stop. When I finally moved to a big city, reality hit me hard. Everyone spoke English confidently. At my first interview, I couldn't answer simple questions. I went home and cried. I felt small. I felt weak. But that pain became my motivation. I created a simple daily routine. Every day, I learned 5 new words. I spoke English for at least 20 minutes, alone if needed. I changed my phone language to English. I forced myself to think in English. Slowly, something magical happened. I stopped translating in my head. English started coming naturally. I began to speak without fear. People understood me. Some even complimented my improvement. My confidence grew. With better English, I got a better job. With a better job, my life started changing. I met new people, learned new ideas, and saw a bigger world. Today, I stand here as a confident professional, not because I was born talented, but because I refused to give up. Let me tell you something important. You don't need perfect grammar to succeed. You don't need a foreign accent. You need courage. You need consistency. You need belief. English is not just a language, it is a skill, and skills can be learned. Many people wait for motivation, but motivation comes after action, not before it. So if you are struggling with English today, remember this: I was once like you, afraid, confused, doubting myself, but I chose growth over comfort. So today, I ask you, what will you choose? Excuses or effort? Fear or confidence? Dreams or action? Start today. Speak English every day. Make mistakes proudly. Improve step by step. Because one day, you will look back and say, learning English was the decision that changed my life. Thank you.